Hey everyone, I hope you're good, and once again welcome back to my new video. Once in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the new kind of a environment, the new kind of a sangat. We used to heard that from our parents. If you hang out with the smoker, if you hang out with the drinker or who used to drink alcohol, so you will be the next one after 1 year, after 2 years, after some years. Okay, we used to heard, and still we used to heard in our parents, in our society, in our friend zone also, but I think this has become very old. I know we still heard this thing, we still get from our parents, but the new on and the trending sangat has become your social media and yeah, social media. Why? Because anything you see, anything you buy, anything you do, and wherever you go, first of all you go on internet. You before doing that thing, you just want to have, or just you want to know some kind of a information. You just want to gather some kind of information about that thing, so you go on the internet. Okay, you see videos, you check that thing whether it's good or not. That is good, absolutely good, because which gives you the at least brief or at least introduction of that thing wherever you going, whatever you are about to do that. Okay, whatever kind of a, you wanna get the knowledge about any kind of a topic, so that which is absolutely good, which I'm not denying. But if you go on internet, means on any kind of a channel which is established or which is based on the India, so you will see so many videos on around social media addiction, and because of that, people and also children are used to do whatever the video, whatever the happening in the video. If the video is related to prank, so people are starting prank with their families, whether they are not, whether they are, the prank is good or not good, they're not also realizing that. And this is happening, bro. If you see the addiction of games, so people are immensely addicted to game. I also must show that you have seen so many videos of hospitals. Children are on the bed and trying to play with their hands. They do not have phone even, but still they're playing. They're acting like a playing on a real phone, but they're not playing on a real phone. But we saw so many videos in our past, and still we see that videos. So what is happening? The new kind of a environment or the sangat has become or has replaced by social media. And trust me, guys, social media is the best way to build your life, to ruin your life. And yeah, this is the harsh reality of today's life or today's generation. I know Gen Z, whatever you call it, Gen Z are the best generation out there which can build empire of their own, or which can destroy empire which has already built by so many people also. Okay, so this can be done by Gen Z. It is up to us. It is in our hand. How do we use social media, in which direction we take it, or in which, or basically how we use that thing. Okay, suppose that if I give you knife, so whether you want to put that knife on the vegetables or on somebody's neck, it's up to you. Okay, there is no fault of knife. Okay, there is a fault of you and your hand and your mindset. I hope you got the point, what I'm just trying to make you understand. There is no, if I give you gun, so nobody will ask who gave you gun. If you kill the person by that gun, so of course you will be caught by the police. Okay, because you killed that person with that gun. Of course, whosoever gave you gun, that person will be also caught. Why? Because why did you give the gun? That is a different case. But ultimately the charges also, most of the charges will what do we call it, allocated or filed on your. Why? Because you killed the man, or whatever, whosoever. So it is not a fault of giving you knife, giving you gun, giving you any kind of idea, any kind of pathetic idea, whatever the worst idea, I don't know. Okay, but just I'm trying to make you understand what is the power of social media. If you really want to build your habit, any kind of a habit, if you build any kind of business mindset, so bro, there are endless of videos on internet around different kind of a topics, on around different kind of a people, from very good people also. Why? Because most of the intelligent people are coming on internet and giving their content free. Of course, you don't have to give any kind of entrance for clearing the any entrance, for giving or taking admission in prestigious college where the people come, most talented people or the most talented professor come to teach you. Okay, nowadays people are coming on internet and teaching their knowledge free of cost. So why don't you take advantage of learning from them? If you just, and yeah, to be honest, it's very hard. It's very hard for get rid of from those kind of a content and used to watch new content which is literally helping you to build your habit or to build your financial knowledge or physical health. By the way, I am not in too much into physical or health conscious kind of a thing. Okay, because nowadays I do not I do not train, I do not take care of my health or diet also. But yeah, trust me guys, but social media can change your life entirely. And if you know that how did I learn my English communication skills, although I just speak very basic, but still how you can learn basic English communication skills, it is I have learned from just YouTube videos. I also enrolled myself in FA courses, in FA program, where I used to spend 1.5 hours for 1 year, where I was I was learning from a best teacher who was teaching me, and it's not only me, the batch who was teaching the batch, and I was the student of that batch. So yeah, and by the way, the batch and the teacher was fantastic. The art of teaching, the way of teaching was good. I got the best teacher in my life of teaching English language. Okay, if you wanna get any means, if you really wanna get this skill of speaking in English language, so please find FEA in your area. I'm 100% sure that you will get the one institute out there. Okay, in your locality. If not possible, so out of the locality you can find that, or you must find that the FA branch. Okay, because the FA branch has many branches in India also, and outside of India also. So yeah, this is not my topic, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you that if you think that if your friend and if your daughter, if your son is hanging out with only friends, and only friends can change your life or ruin your life, so it is half truth. It is half true. Okay, nowadays generation has already changed. New, I think rules has already changed. New things are coming in, in our life, which is deciding what to do, how to do, where to do, when to do. Okay, so internet is the only thing which can literally change your life. If you, I must show that you have seen so many cases of influencer or prank videos, who makes prank video. They are, I was just watching one of the channel. They used to pretend, in that channel, two members were there in the channel, the guy and the girl, and they both were true sibling. Okay, after some year, the brother killed his sister, and after that he tries to kill his mother also. Why? Because he was mentally disturbed. Because I don't know in a very deep way, but yeah, you will, if you search that on YouTube, so you will find that what happened and how this thing happened in his life. Okay, and why he do that, why he do that. Nowadays my pronunciation and the art of the way I speak is changing a little bit, because I think I'm not practicing enough to speak confidently, or I think I'm speaking very confidently, but yeah, words are not coming very clearly. This is the problem, and it happens every time. If you stop practicing, it doesn't mean that if I'm just practicing in front of the camera, so this is my practice session. Okay, this is also practice session, but yeah, apart from that I have to also practice, otherwise I will be not sound like a good speaker. Although apart from video I do not practice, to be honest. Yeah, to be honest, I do not practice apart from video, because I always make video of 10 minutes, so I think 10 minutes are enough for practicing English stuff. And just means I don't know, I am not getting any kind of a words for telling you what I mean to tell you. Okay, so yeah, basically please stay away. I would not say stay away, because this is not possible or this is not practical advice, but I would say that whosoever is coming on your feed, or whosoever is means whom you see, what I'm speaking right now, whom what is the this is the word, I don't know how to use that. Whom content do you watch? Whom content do you watch? Yeah. And whose content do you watch? Please select those people very wisely, otherwise your life can be destroyed by those people, because if you see those content very frequently or constantly, so trust me guys, your life definitely will affected by those videos, those channels, and at the end you will regret. Why? Because that is your fault. Why? Because you didn't realize that whose videos you were watching, and after watching multiple videos on every day, you didn't realize that what you have done it to yourself. Okay, so now I hope you understood today's video. So yeah, thank you so much.